If this hair don't do nothing else, it can hold some curls. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I have another headband wig for you guys, and this one is sponsored by Unice Hair. Now I'm jumping out the box with this one because it is red. I have never worn a full out red wig before, so this will be a first. It's kind of a burgundy reddish, kind of like with hints or specks of black to it kind of color. So I'm interested to see how this goes down. We shall see. I have been racking my brain trying to figure out what I'm gonna do about these edges versus this wig, because you know, if it was a lace front, the edges would already be red with the hair, but that's not the case with this. So I was like, do I want to try like do something with that? Or Gladys, she actually gave me the idea via her video she did on a red headband wig, where she sprayed her edges to match the red that she had. And I was like, that's a good idea too. But then I was like, you know what? I kind of want to see what it looks like if I were to use my regular edges in this wig. It kind of reminds me of that look Rihanna did where her ponytail was purple, but her hair was still black. It's the body wave texture and it feels really good, even though it's been dyed clearly. It's still soft. I am getting a tad bit of shedding, just like one strand so far. So that's really not bad. So I would say minimal shedding. So I'm gonna pop this on so we can see what the tea is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. So initial thoughts putting this on, I like where it's going. I do wish it was a little bit thicker, and that is a me thing up top. I think, you know, the black edges with the red hair is kind of like fashion forward cute, but I do wish it had a little more volume up top, like maybe 2 or 3 more tracks around this area. To me, that's not necessarily a con, that's a me thing, because I like fullness. But I am really impressed with like how soft and manageable this hair still is, even though, you know, it's clearly been dyed up. I am going to add some curls into this and kind of style it up, and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all know more of my thoughts. If this hair don't do nothing else, it can hold some curls. I stuck this in a half up, half down because I felt like it was filling the void I was missing from wanting more volume. And again, there's nothing wrong with what they did. It's just me. I didn't see a density listed online, but I feel like it's about 150% to maybe 180% density. So, you know, just very natural. It comes in 18, 20, and 22 inch length. This is definitely the 22 inch length. They sent me a whole bag full of goodies here we about to take a look at. I love that they give you a plethora of headbands here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 headbands over here. And it looks like they send thicker headbands, I noticed from also checking the website, so you can cover your edges. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. So I guess you would kind of need to fold the black band a little bit to make this work. And there it is with no edges. This is how all of the headbands look like. This is the other one. in this print as well, and in this print as well. And they also sent this cute pearl one. Ooh, I like this. Now this is thin, so I don't really know exactly what it's covering exactly. But this is a cute thought. Like, I don't see how you would make this work with the black part of it. But I'm gonna keep this though. Next time they send me a wig, like a lace frontal or something, I'm gonna try the headband with this because this is really cute. And surprise, surprise, it comes with another bag of goodies too. We got some press-on nail polish, wig caps, and some 3D lashes. Now, do want to note, this is a tighter kind of cap. I've noticed it fits me fine, and I use a 22-inch wig head. But if you need a 23, I recommend you reach out to them and see if they have any bigger sizes available, because it is a bit, you know, very secure. When I saw Unice sending me this wig, I was like, okay, I want some like pizzazz in my headbands because, you know, this hair's got some pizzazz. And I came across these cute denim headbands and I thought, you know, something different to go with some hair that's something different. Yeah, I don't like this like I thought I was gonna like this one on here. Yeah, it's not quite giving what I thought it was gonna give. To me, I actually feel like the black headband is my favorite headband to wear with this because it kind of like gives the dark root feel. Like it helps the transition from my hair into this 99J color. So I actually really like this with the black headband, which is funny because it's the plain black headband. Oh, this is very cute as a curly ponytail. I'm loving this. Yes. And you know what? The more I look at it, the more I'm okay with the density. I think I just had to adjust to the whole look because it's so new for me. But I think the density is good. Okay, Unice with the 99J. If you're interested in this headband wig, I will have the details down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.